Welcome to day 4 of my day trading diary, where I share my watch list and analyze my trades for you to learn from. Today is the 10th of August 2023, and the market is hugely gapping up as we had inflation rate and CPI news. However, I don't trust this gap, and I still expect the market to go lower today. As far as my watch list goes, I didn't find a lot that I like, so it might just be another quiet day for me. First one on my long watch is UBS, which is almost gapping over this previous area of resistance, and my target would be around 2020-50. The next one is VZ, which is gapping over these previous 3 days with quite some room to this area of resistance. If we have a look at the 1 hour chart, it formed a nice ascending triangle here on the 1 hour time frame. And the last one on my long watch is XOM, which broke out of this consolidation on the daily chart. And now I expect a retest of this previous area of resistance, and my target would be this pivot here. On my short watch I have TTD, which formed this double top recently and broke this previous area of support, and now I'm gonna see if it retests this area maybe later in the day, and it has room to this previous area of support and resistance. And the last one on my short watch is Meta, as it broke down out of this descending triangle and is gapping up almost into this previous area of support. So if it holds this now as resistance, the target would be the previous low of the day. So I'm gonna see you guys after the market session, and we're gonna go over the trades I took. Alright guys, market just closed, and it was a pretty wild day. As you can see, the market is still ranging in between these two areas, and I expect it to continue to do so until we either break down this support area or break this trend line in the near future. I took 2 trades today, both on the short side on Meta. If we go over them, I took this 2-minute topping tail sell setup, which stopped me out up here, and then I traded this head and shoulders pattern like this. Put my stop, I gave it a little bit of extra room. Put my stop at 311.74, and I didn't quite reach my target completely, but I closed it at the end of the day for, I think, around 3,590 for about 3.6 R. And my other watch lists, TTD was the right direction, however it didn't reach my area of interest. And on the long side, UBS was holding this support area for a while. I probably would have taken this 5-minute high volume candle if I see it, but my attention was somewhere else, so I missed it, which is, I mean, I would have been stopped out, so that's fortunate for me. VZ would have been a good play, but I didn't find the entry I like. I mean, I could have traded maybe a breakout here, but that would have been like a 1-to-1 R, which is not enough for me to take that trade. And XOM, was pretty bullish at the beginning, and I thought about shorting it up here, but there wasn't a pattern I liked. I mean, in hindsight, this could have been like a head and shoulders, but it's not a perfect setup for me, and the market conditions are pretty rough at the moment, so I tend to do lesser trades. So it's around 2.6 R for me today, which is good for my likings, as I'm not finding that many setups at the moment. And yeah, it was a good day.